Hi guys, it's your boy and you and Cindy. We're about to get hit by a storm. Look at the clouds. Holy! We got that tornado watch the one day. It just rained. And now it's windy, right, Cindy?
Yeah, very windy. The blew the branches.
How hard?
Not very hard, I bet.
So I have you guys on my chest right now. Oh, it's cold. I'm just gonna jog a little bit, get my body warmed up while we're out here. Trying to get the body warm. But it is very windy. This sign was going like that earlier. Cindy's HUD just blew off. Look at the sign! The stop sign! Let's go down here. Holy! My head. There's not even any storm warnings. Look at the stop sign. Once again. This stop sign is blowing like a shark! Woo! Woo! Cindy, you better get out of stop! Woo! Yeah! The brain is flying! Houston, we are touchdown! Cindy, can you stay out here with me? Can you stay? Holy! The trash can blew into the street! It is raining harder than a... This is why I do this stuff. I want to be a storm chaser. Well, this is a storm for me to chase. Cindy, was that crazy? Was that crazy? Oh my gosh. The phone is wet. This one, wasn't that crazy?
Yeah.
We did that. We did that.
Yeah.
We did that together.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm a psycho! I'm stupid. I've been just called stupid. Oh, okay. Debris flying down there. We got debris. We got a little piece of people's trash are flying. The sign is shaking from the wind we are getting. They don't call us storm chasers for nothing. You're not a storm chaser unless you're chasing that storm. Yeah, Wizard of Oz! What?
Let me know when you see Toto.
Okay, I'll let you know when I see hail. Woo! Wizard of Oz! I feel like we are in the Wizard of Oz right now. Sydney went back inside. She backed out. I have to get other storm chasers. This stop sign was just shaking so bad. You can feel the wind push. Woo! This is a hydrant. They are driving by. Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe right now. It is raining. But oh, look at the stop sign. Come on, guys. Oh, this is why we chase storms. This stop sign was just shaking. Woo! You can feel that wind. Woo! And they call me a storm chaser. No, they don't. Woo! This is some high gusts of wind. That guy knows what he's doing. Oh my gosh, I gotta wipe off my camera. It's wet. It is just raining right now with strong wind. I don't even think there's, let me go see if there's warning. Another wind gust just pushed through. My camera's wet. My phone is wet. My hair's getting wet. It's calmed down so much. It just sprinkles. It's just sprinkles of rain coming down with those high gusts of winds. But you think hurricanes, tornadoes, and any other storm's gonna stop me? You bet wrong. This boy's soul. I live off storms. I'm cold. These people are cold. But here we go again! Guys, I gotta go charge my phone. I'll be back in a bit. We're gonna go see